Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to copy keyframes here in Capcut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's open up a project. Let's go for this one and let's add in a video. Let's add this one in right here. Now let's add in our keyframes. Let's add this one here, for example. Let's go a little bit further and let's zoom in so we can see our keyframes have now been set up. Very nice and easy. Cool. Now what I want you to do is grab the clip itself, not the keyframes, the entire clip. Make sure everything is white. Press Ctrl C or just right click copy and then Ctrl V and paste it. And you can see those keyframes have been copied. Now once we've done this, I would recommend doing right click and then do replace clip and replace it with another video. So if I now click open, it will now replace it with this. If I click replace, it will copy those keyframes over into the next clip. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.